In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone look taller in Adobe Photoshop. We'll go through this slowly and clearly so you can follow each part without feeling rushed. This technique works by separating the subject from the background, cleaning up the empty space, and then stretching only the area that helps create a taller appearance while keeping the edit as natural as possible. Start by duplicating your original image layer. This is always a good habit because it protects the original photo and gives you a safe copy to work on. Once that's done, go up to Select, then choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect and select the person in the image. Give it a moment to complete the selection, and before moving on, quickly check that the subject is mostly selected properly. Next, press Ctrl and J to copy the selected person onto a new layer. This gives you the subject on its own layer, which is important for the next steps. After that, hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of the person layer to load that person back as an active selection. Take a second here to confirm that the full subject is selected. Now select the background layer copy. Then go to Select, Modify, and Expand. Enter 5 pixels and click OK. This slightly enlarges the selected area, which helps Photoshop cover the subject more cleanly in the background. Then go to Edit, Fill, choose Content Aware for the contents, and click OK. Photoshop will fill that selected area using nearby background detail. When it's finished, press Ctrl and D to deselect. Next, choose the pen tool and carefully draw a path around the part of the person you want to stretch. This is one of the most important parts of the process, so take your time and place the path carefully. A clean selection here will make the final result look much more believable. Once you're happy with the path, press Ctrl and Enter to convert it into a selection. Now return to the Layers panel and select the top subject layer. Press Ctrl, Shift and J to move that selected area onto a brand new layer. Then drag this new layer slightly downward and press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Before adjusting anything, make sure the width and height are linked so the proportions stay consistent. Then gently increase the height until the person looks taller in a natural way. When it looks right, press Enter to apply the transformation. To finish, inspect the edges closely and make any small corrections needed so everything blends smoothly with the background. And that's it. You've successfully made someone look taller in Photoshop.